All right, here we go. It's our trade recap for today. So, daily bias was bearish. I'm gonna go out here. This is why we had intermediate term high sweep here and an inverse fair value gap. So that says bearish. We had other intermediate term low sweeps on the 1 hour time frame, but this fair value gap was not inversed yet. And we had an ITL swept here. And actually, there's a bullish fair value gap that was inversed. So now it's bullish, but it got inversed when it hit when it hit 1 o'clock after the 12 p.m. candle closed. So far after when we would have been trading. So the bias on the day was bearish. And actually, by the looks of it now, it looks like we're bearish again because it swept Asia high, which is an intermediate term high, and it inversed a fair value gap. So we're back bearish again, but not like it matters now. The bias for the session was bearish. I had a New York manipulation in a 1 hour sweep requirement because since our bias was bearish, London high did not sweep Asia high. So I needed to wait for a liquidity sweep. There's a 5 minute. Clearly the session was not bearish. And so what actually ended up happening today is I took a trade. And today I did not follow my rules. I didn't follow them. I didn't follow them because my justification was this London high reacted off of this, I believe that's a new week opening gap. No, it's a new day opening gap. This new day opening gap plus this fair value gap. London reacted off of that. So I was like, okay, well, it might probably continue. And this is a decision in the span of a couple minutes. And then I saw this large downwards move. I was like, no way. And I adjusted my rules. Didn't follow what I initially said. I entered. I believe I... No, I didn't. Did I mark it? No, I didn't mark it enter. But yeah, we failed because we didn't sweep a buy side level. And here we go. If I had waited for a buy side sweep, which happened shortly after stopping me out, if I had waited for a buy side sweep, there would have been no market structure shift until after 12. But there would have been no market structure shift up until 12, which would have meant we shouldn't have traded today, or we didn't trade today. And so this should have been a no trade day, but I ended up taking a trade. So I made an unnecessary loss, which sucks. But that has motivated me into making a sheet, a document where I write down all my little rules and little nuances like this so I don't make mistakes like this again. So if I'm ever second guessing, whether or not I should do something, my rule sheet says to do this. This is the only way you should do it. And that's it. There will be no more confusion because I'll have everything listed right there. So yeah, I ended up losing a trade today. I scaled in to $250 in this, but all the fees after I got stopped out, it was almost exactly 250. Got up to like 278. And so that's a little more than I would have liked to lose, because I really should be only losing 250. So I think when I enter my positions, it should just be a little less than 250, because I want to account for all the fees as well. But that's it. We're a little above break even on both of our sim funded and eval accounts. But I believe that's it. Yeah, dumb trade. Shouldn't have taken it. Oh, forgot to mention we had news. We had weekly employment change at 8:15 and JOLTS at 10. Weekly employment change, there was no data low to map, and pretty much the same for JOLTS. There wasn't really any data low or data high. It kind of just got swept out already. And so that's it. But yeah, recap. Just shouldn't have made that mistake, but that's okay. We learned, won't happen again, and I'll see you tomorrow.